Let's talk about our magnesium spray. So this is a topical use. You don't ingest it, don't spray it in your mouth, you spray it on sore joints. This is great for restless legs, it's great for sore knees, sore back, elbows, wrists. We've heard all kinds of great testimonials from our clients and customers how well this works. So you could try this if you're going through a particular painful period or painful area in your body as directly on. So if you take an oral magnesium, that should help in a number of different ways in your body. But if you're taking a spray, like if you're using a spray topically, you would spray directly on, and that will help in different areas. This is really good. I mentioned for restless legs, a lot of people have that twitching right before bed or in the middle of the night. Many of our customers spray this on their legs before bed and they sleep much better because magnesium is a relaxant and it helps you relax, which is why you get a deeper sleep or can sleep longer in particular. And so when we have our spray in particular, that one has peppermint, and then we have, so one bottle is a peppermint-scented for medicinal benefits, lots of benefits to peppermint in particular. Ours is actually food grade, a very high quality peppermint. And then the other one is unscented because some people want to share or some people want to refill and they don't want the extra peppermint, which is perfectly fine. You can also, if you want more peppermint or if you want a different essential oil, you can add a couple drops to your bottle, which is perfectly okay. This one has very clean ingredients. We use magnesium chloride, very absorbable, great for sore muscles in particular, and we have zero additives, fillers, toxins, etc. So when you're looking for a topical spray or a topical magnesium in general, it's very important you read the ingredients the same as you would, or we hope you would, when you're taking anything orally, any type of oral supplement that you're consuming. You should be reading in the ingredients and paying attention to what you want to stay away from or what you want added. And we also have a full PDF of toxic supplements, toxic ingredients and supplements that you should stay away from, which is available at any time. So hopefully that helps. Any questions at all, let us know.